Boho painting is a vibrant, expressive, and a colorful art style that reflects the Bohemian lifestyle. The Bohemian style stands for freedom, art, peace, love, and joy. So, the Boho style is much more than just a fashion trend. A boho inspired home often features a mix of warm and cool colors. Earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and mustard yellow are popular choices. So the questions come in our mind, what does it mean by boho? Boho is an abbreviation for the Bohemian homeless, and that is for the nomads from the Bohemian region. I'll give you a few tips about how you can paint your wall in a boho style. To paint in a boho style, you can try these tips. First of all, you have to choose a reference and then choose colors. You can use earthy tones like sandy beige, muted terracotta, and dusty brown to create a cozy atmosphere. You can also use brighter colors that bring you joy. Other colors that work well for boho art include sunflower yellow, violet, and turquoise blue. Use good brushes. High quality brushes with soft, dense bristles make painting easier and won't leave streaks. Use DIY paint. Clay based DIY paint is a pigmented and reactivates with water. Add texture. You can use textures to paste to create a more attractive look. Add lines. You can start by painting lines and use it as a guide to make sure your lines are even and straight.